Hi, croeso nôl. So wythnos yma a ddiwrnod cacen. Hi, welcome back. So this week, decorating the cake, you're going to need some icing, some marzipan, some jam, and then some decorations. Bydd angen marzipan, icing a pethau a ddiwrnod cacen i chi, a hefyd jam. So yn gyntaf, mae angen toddi'r jam lawr, so mae fel y hylif, a bydd hwn yn actio fel y glid i roi popeth ar ben y cacen. So firstly, you need to melt the jam down, so it's more sort of a liquid consistency, and then this will act then as the gluing agent for all your things. Just make sure that you don't burn the jam. Just make sure bod chi ddim yn llosgi'r jam. Unwaith chi'n barod, peintio'r cylch ar eich bwrdd cacen, bydd hwn yn ysgoi a cacen slipio oddi o'r bwrdd. Once you're ready, paint a circular shape on your cake board, making sure that then when you put the cake on, it won't fall off at a later time. Okay, keep it central, so kind of yn canolig, ac yna, fel nes i anghofio wneud, cofio'ch tynnu'r papur off y gweiliod, and then make sure you take the paper off the bottom of the cake as well. Alright, so dim eisiau lot o jam, just make sure bod chi'n gorchuddio'r top a'r ochr yn gyfan. You don't need lots of jam for this first bit, it's just to make sure that the marzipan sticks to it. So just a nice thin layer around it. And then once you're ready, okay, I've used a pre-rolled marzipan sheet. Fi wedi defnyddio marzipan sydd wedi rolio yn barod, mae hwn dim yn hawsach. Okay, neu'r siŵr bod wedi cael ei tynnu allan yn digon o amser i osgoi fel craciau bach, ond mae modd just teclisto yn lan. Make sure you unwrap it early so that also you can clean up the cracks as you can see on here. Okay, so yna gyd sy'n eisiau gwneud ydy torri o amgylch yr ymyl ac yna esmwyth yr ochrau lawr, and then smooth the sides down. Okay, this level doesn't need to be perfect because obviously you're going to put the icing on top of it as well. So, dim angen i'r ochr yma fod yn berffaith ac mae'r icing mynd i'r benne. So eto, tym bach o'r jam ar y top. Unwaith chi'n hapus, okay, mae modd i chi teclisto tym bach yn well na fi, you can make it a little bit tighter than me. So, yr icing nesa, a beth chi'n gweld, fi'n tynnu y gweilod lawr. As you can see, I'm pulling the bottom down towards me so I can get a smoother finish, and then cupping my hands to make sure that it gets underneath the cake. So fi'n gwneud siŵr bod icing yn mynd dan y cacen i gael yn esmwyth a hefyd yn syth. Unwaith chi'n hollol hapus, torrwch o amgylch y cacen i wneud siŵr bod wedyn chi gallu tacio'r icing o dan y cacen. Once you're happy, just trim off the edges, leaving a little excess so you can tuck this underneath the cake to give a neater edge at the end of it. Mae fel olwyn pizza yn well neu a pizza wheel is definitely better to use for this. A dyn, neg i chi'n gwneud, defnyddio'ch dwylo wedyn i esmwyth yr ochr. Make sure that you smooth the sides using your hands. Wrth gwrs, mae yna llawer o wahanol ffordd chi'n gallu edrych ar cacen. Rwy'n gwneud yn bach syml yn leid yn defnyddio wahanol torri'r i torri siarp ar y top ac yna tynnu allan yr icing a wedi'n llenwi gyda cannoedd o miloedd wahanol lliwiau. Okay, so there's loads of different ways you can decorate the cake. I'm just using cutters here and then I'll cut out the excess icing. And all you need to do then is put a little bit of jam in and then sprinkle the hundreds and thousands. Ac yna gyd sy'n angen ei wneud, rhoi tyfu bach o jam mewn fel glid ychwanegol a i llenwi'r tyllau wedyn gyda'ch cannoedd o miloedd. Ar ôl teclisto lan, and then after you finish sort of cleaning up and doing the final touches, i orffen y cacen wedyn, tyfu bach o riban o amgylch y gweiliod. Okay, I just gwasgu lawr y tymach o icing yn y cornel. And then just to finish it off, you just need to wrap a little bit of ribbon around the bottom of the cake, and I use a spare piece of icing then that's just been wetted to stick it together. A dyna ni, ein cacen Nadolig. And there we have it, your Christmas cake. Okay, you're yn edrych mlaen i weld beth chi'n gwneud. Very much looking forward to what you do, and I'll see you all soon. Diolch.